嗨，大家好，我是 Mary， 欢迎来到澳洲中国大妈频道。今天呢，我老公又感冒了，这是今年我老公第2次感冒。我老公一感冒呢，我就特别紧张，我说哇塞，你又感冒了。上次我老公感冒呢，大概是2个月之前的事吧。先是我老公感冒了，然后呢，我老公把感冒传染给了我。我又把感冒传染给了我女儿，我女儿呢又把感冒传染给了我妈，然后呢还再加上我儿子，2个儿子过来的时候呢，他们2个也都感冒了，所以呢一个感冒呢传染了一家感冒。我们几个呢都好，因为年轻嘛，抵抗力强，感冒呢一个星期就过去了。我妈可惨了，我妈从2个月之前我老公感冒之后呢，我妈就一直咳嗽。一直断断续续的咳，到这几天呢刚刚好一点。今天呢我老公又感冒了，他说他从星期一早晨起来感觉到感冒了，星期天呢他在沙发上睡着了，然后我给他炒了一个羊肉，我狠命的叫他，我叫了他好几次让他起来吃饭呢，他都不起来，一直在沙发上睡着。但是我可能平常比较粗心呢，我就没有想过就是他在沙发上睡着，我就给他盖一下。结果过了一会儿，等我们吃完饭之后呢，我妈看见了，然后我妈就跟我说：“你给他盖一下吧，你看他睡在那儿，别感冒了。”我才拿了个毯子给他盖上了。看他感冒了呢，我就说：“那要不我给你用中国的土方给你治一下吧。”我知道2个土方，一个呢就是第一个呢就是可乐熬生姜水。就是把生姜切成碎片，然后放在可乐里面，一起放在火上面熬，大概熬一会儿呢，就是把生姜里面的那个辣味熬到可乐里面去，喝了之后呢，有助于预防感冒。还有第2个方子呢，就是冰糖雪梨水。冰糖雪梨水呢，对咳嗽有好处，因为我老公今天早晨有咳嗽。锅里面加上水，加热，然后把梨切成块，然后把切成块的梨呢放到水里面去，再加上几块冰糖，大概煮上个5、6分钟，等水开了再煮一会儿就好了。这个很简单，但是治疗咳嗽呢非常有用，非常好。熬好之后呢，我给我老公盛了点，然后给我妈也盛了点。我想着我老公，我就最害怕的是我妈又感冒了，被传染了。然后呢，又给我女儿盛了点，我妈和我女儿呢全喝了，我老公呢，我估计呢，我还给他解释了一下这是什么，但是呢，我估计他可能不爱喝，但是呢，为了看我辛辛苦苦给他熬了，他又喝了点，没有喝完。
Have that translator, wouldn't we?
Anyway, it's useful.
Oh, sugar can.
Sugar can.
Sugar cane.
I tried a lot of time. When he was young, she coughed and I do. She like, and she told me getting better. Maybe just because of test. Don't you?
I don't know.
So
how you cough a lot when she was young?
Why William cough a lot?
I don't know, was it because of pollution in Beijing maybe? Didn't help?
Probably.
It's young kids they get a disease. It's normal. Sick or they get sick. That's normal, I think. Maybe it's because pollution. After you come over here, you very rarely get sick. You see how it's really get sick.
Yeah, when I was in Beijing, I always get sick.
Did you?
She's sick a lot. Always. I always bring her to hospital.
Was it always coughing?
Not only coughing, a few different.
It's all linked though. It's all linked.
Yeah. We are immune system getting weak. You always get different. This uncomfortable. That part is not well. So something like that.
Everything in the body is connected. If one thing starts to go wrong, then other things start to go wrong as well.
You're right. Like you are a scientist.
Famous Chinese doctor.
A famous Chinese doctor in the future, or maybe in your dream.
You see the maps of the human body when you go into the Chinese doctor.
Oh yeah.
So they say everything is connected.
Oh yeah, that's right.
They say your foot's connected to your arm and your arm's connected to your brain. And you know, hell.
That's why we do
How
massage.
does your foot make you feel better when you have a headache?
Can massage your feet make your headache
Well, it
get
must
it
work because
better.
it's been going for a long time.
You want a Coke, ginger Coke? No?
That one doesn't taste good.
No?
Yeah, that's not good, but it's useful.
There's too much sugar. There's too much sugar in this and there's too much sugar in that. I mean, I've got enough problems with weight. I don't need any more.
It's a home
Remedy.
home remedy. Home remedy.
When I was in Beijing that time, I got to get acupuncture for my knee, for my back, remember?
I remember that.
Yeah, it worked too.
It's work. You feel work?
Yeah, it did work, yeah. It took a bit of time, but it did work.
But 呢，希望我老公这个感冒呢赶紧过去，因为我们年轻人呢可能不害怕，但是呢，我妈一旦被传染上呢，真的很麻烦，对她来说，一次感冒有可能就是一次致命的打击。因为今年呢有 COVID-19，就是这个疫情呢影响的，大家呢对感冒很紧张，因为感冒的症状呢跟疫情的症状呢特别像。上次我妈感冒的时候呢，因为我妈吃的那个药呢，我们要定期的到医生那儿去开。我带她去医生那儿开药的时候呢，医生就没让她进去，让她在诊所外面等，然后让我进去给她开了药。这次呢，我老公感冒之后呢，他昨天就跑到那个澳大利亚测那个新冠状病毒的那个地方去做了那个新冠状病毒检测。他知道他自己是感冒了，但是一是为了就是以防万一吧，万一是传染了那个疫情的话，另外一方面呢，他不去测的话，单位可能也不愿意要求他去测，所以他昨天呢去测了那个做了那个新冠状病毒的检测。今年这种情况下的话，大家最好还是就是多穿点衣服，保护好自己，不要感冒了，以免引起自己紧张，也引起别人的紧张。好，谢谢大家观看，喜欢我的视频，请点赞、订阅、关注，让更多的人看到澳洲中国大妈的频道，谢谢。